What's up, guys? So today we have this VMS short antenna. So like I said, this is the VMS short antenna, 4.5 inches long, and then this is the adapter you have to get if you have a GM truck. Apparently they don't have a little adapter in here that fits the GM truck, so this was like $5 more, which ain't no big deal. This is a billet antenna. So we're going to take this, attach it to the adapter, as they call it. Just like that. And then, to me, it looks like that's just going to screw directly onto the truck. But I'm going to open this up and see what all we have in here. Got some spacers. Another spacer. I was trying to see if it would fit in this gap, but I don't think it would go to. I guess that's some kind of spacer for a certain vehicle. But looks like this is all we're gonna need right here. Here's a long old antenna. It's like 30 inches long or something. We're gonna start taking this off. Actually, before I take it off, let me back up and get a, here we go, full truck view of it with the long antenna on. Then we'll do an after shot once we get the short one on. So old one's off, that easy. So yeah, it looks like this is gonna fit on here perfect. I'm just gonna screw it on down on there. Get it pretty snug. Don't want it coming off. It is on. Back up, take a look now. Looks a lot cleaner to me, a lot nicer having that big, long, skinny antenna. This is, like I said, this is billet, so it's a nice material.